Hey everyone, want to shop on Amazon and split your payments with Klarna? Here's a quick guide to make it happen. First of all, open the Klarna app on your phone. If you don't have it yet, download it and set up your account. In the Klarna app, use the search bar to look for Amazon. In the Klarna app, use the search bar to look for Amazon. Tap on it to access the Amazon website through Klarna. Now shop as you normally would. Add your items to the cart, and when you are ready, go to checkout. When you are ready to pay, Klarna will prompt you to create a one-time virtual card. Enter the total amount of your purchase, and Klarna will generate a card for you. Now copy the virtual card details. Go back to the Amazon checkout page and paste the card information as your payment method. Place your order and Klarna will handle the payments in easy installments. It's that simple. Like and subscribe for more shopping hacks.